To reverse a video in Canva, let's pick a video document. You can now bring in the video you want to reverse. I will go over to my elements to pick up the video. This is the video I'm reversing, and I want to go over to apps and search for video reverser. We'll be using this one here. It says to prepare, export, and reverser. Add a video first to your design. So this is the video we're working with. You're just going to click on start. You can see from here that this is our original video. If you preview it, you can see our original video from here. If your video has audio, you want to do the settings whether you should mute the audio or reverse the audio also, or keep original audio as is. You want to see the speed of your reversal, but I'm going to leave mine as 1, and you get 15 credits every month to reverse 15 clips. Click on reverse video. Our reverse video is ready. You can see it playing here. You want to now add that to your design. I'm going to pull this not to be on the overlay, to be on the main clip.